Hi and welcome, it's Peg, and today I am starting off September with a bang. You guys may know Birgit Koopsen. She is working with Jelly Arts, and they're sponsoring a kind of a hop, I guess, I don't know, hashtag event over on Instagram, and it's gel printing every day. So the first challenge, because there's a challenge list, and I don't know if I'm going to stick with the challenge list every day. I'm just saying, because I got a lot of other challenges going on. But the first challenge, all the instructions are on Birgit's stuff about the giveaway and everything. So, I mean, check out what she's doing. The first prompt, she's from the Netherlands, and she's using a flag as her prompt. Well, I'm kind of going to be a little bit unconventional when it comes to how I interpret the flag. I have a printing block here, and I have a number of things out on my desk, and that's the way I work. I'm going to put a few things down here because I'm going to clean off some of that paint. And when I talk about a flag, I'm thinking about the ribbon flags that are used for cancer. Both my husband and I have had cancer numerous times. I am a ovarian cancer survivor. He is suffering with prostate cancer right now. He's had skin cancer. So I'm thinking about the colors for those things for this month. For like cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, the color is a teal. For prostate cancer, it's a light blue. For, all kinds of cancers, it's a lavender. So that's what I'm playing with, are these colors that are part of the ribbons for cancer awareness. Because, along with everything else, the month of September is the month for ovarian cancer awareness. And 80% of women are diagnosed with ovarian cancer at the advanced stages. So it helps for you to be aware of this disease and get the word out about it. So I was lucky. I did a self-diagnosis. I found my problem myself because I was, just checking out my body. And so I'm going to, okay, I've got a block with color here, and I've got a stencil, so I'm just going to stencil through that, if I can get it down here. And so that left an image on here, so I'm going to add that to my page down here. So anyway, National Ovarian Cancer Coalition September Awareness Campaign is focused on early awareness, symptoms, genetic predisposition, the lack of early detection testing, that sort of thing. And, so I want you all to be aware, because I don't want any of my friends going through this. I want you to find a cure. I want you to find a way of dealing with any of this stuff that might be affecting you. Okay, not particularly crazy about that, but that's okay. And I've got this left on the plate, so I'm just going to try and pick that up with my book. Yeah, okay, got that. Alright, so I've still got color here. That's pretty dark for a teal, so I think I'm going to add some, a little bit of white in here. And I've got multiple things going on. So I've got way excess paint. So I'm going to get some of that paint on some of these other surfaces. And this is just a hacked up piece because I do stuff like that. Whoops.